What is a walk but a movement through space and time? Where do we go? What do we find? Through the pathway of life, there are many things to encounter. A tree with the waves rustling in the wind. As you keep walking forward, you see the cracks of life, see the cracks of time, the island where you meet those who you seek, those that pass you by, and as you continue your journey, you observe, you listen, you take in history, future, past, present, all the different strides, all the different leaves, as you go through the phases, and you stop, and you go, you hop on, you hop off, you go up, you go forward.